Hello, everybody. Before you call anyone toxic or you feel this person is negative or you're feeling toxic with that person, or sometimes we have issues with friends and you feel the friends don't understand you and this person is draining my energy or being toxic or somebody's things are not working out for you. It's very important first to self reflect on yourself, because what is obviously something is troubling you inside. Something is troubling you inside obviously is going to come outside, because I believe your internal world is a reflection of your external world. So first see what is troubling you. Is there any relationship that is troubling you? Are you feeling worried about your finances, or are you feel your health is not proper, or that's why you feel you don't have the energy to work on certain things in your life? Because relationship requires, or even friends requires, it's a contribution on give and take. So do you feel that the friend is taking from you, or you feel you're giving a lot, or it's vice versa, or you just feel you just cannot handle that person? So that means it's time for you to work on your emotional quotient. I always tell people there are two quotients. One is intellectual quotient and one is emotional quotient. Intellectual quotient many people have because a lot of people are intelligent, they have jobs, they are working, their schools and colleges. But the issue lies now with the emotional quotient, where you feel drained out, where you feel exhausted. So it's very important to feel relaxed. Do sit down, just take 10 small deep breaths and just do a little meditation if you can, or listen to music, do something which you love, which peps up your mood, you feel good about it. And always, like, if you and why do you feel the person is draining you out? Is it something which is triggering you from inside? So first take a few days to self reflect on yourself. If you still feel that, okay, sometimes we unfriend or we get angry, that happens in relationships and friendship. But then see, if you really want to continue it, or you feel it's your fault, or just apologize and move on. But if you still feel that you're giving in a lot and the friend is just not you being able to get along, then you can just move on and continue your work, and say that, okay, maybe it's really not meant to be, because you try your effort. You don't first only give up in life, you first work on yourself. That's very important. Cleanse your energies, cleanse your aura, because it's very important first to be stable and happy from within. Once you do that, make an effort, make an effort to work on yourself, grow on yourself. Try talking to the person. If you still feel that it's just not up to it, it's not working out, then you can just let go. But don't just immediately get angry, how we get angry and hyper and just unfriend people and we judge people. Don't do that, because everyone is having their own issues and challenges. Sometimes we might not know it, but when talking to someone, we realize, oh, that person is going through so much. And sometimes everyone gets worked up with a lot of issues in their life. So give a person another chance, and if you still feel it's not working out, then you can move on. Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani. So I hope this helped you. And hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani, an intuitive energy alchemist. I help people to create the life they desire. I have won various awards. I've come in Bombay Times and Hindustan Times. I've given workshops to 50 corporates and 1,000 employees, schools, college, and I also give a lot of online workshops on creating and manifesting the life you would like to desire. So if you like this video, share this video with your family and friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and I have written this book especially for the contribution. It's called From Mess to Mesmerize, because I know so many people's lives are messed up and they can change the life and create the life they desire. So please purchase this book and click on the link below. Thank you.